Hey guys, it's Sammy, and today I'm going to be doing a 10-minute bow staff workout. If you don't have a ton of time for practicing, we're just going to take it slow. We're going to do 10 minutes of beginner level bow staff workout. It is more important to get a workout in rather than saying like, I don't have 2 hours to give to training today, so I'm not going to train at all. Big thing is focus on the things that you can do instead of the things that you cannot do. So for today's workout, we're not doing warm-ups. So if you need a warm-up, go ahead and do that before you start the video. Now let's go ahead and get started with a 10-minute bow staff workout. All right, first up, we're gonna grab the bow staff and we're just gonna be working through high blocks. So here, starting at your belly and bringing it up high block. Okay, we're just gonna do these for about 10 of them each. And make sure when you do these high blocks, your hands aren't super close together, otherwise you're gonna be blocking with your fists. So make sure they're apart enough so that you can do the full block. 3, 2, 1. Okay, next one, side block. So here, crossing over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Next one, low block. So here, same thing, hands are gonna be a little further out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Nice job. Let's go ahead and move into some spins. So for this one, I want one of your hands to be under, the other hand over, and we're just gonna move into a figure 8. Okay, we're gonna do about 10 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, side view, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're gonna let go with one of our hands. I'm gonna go right hand. 1, 2. Make sure your other hand isn't just hanging out. We're gonna keep it up in a fighting stance just like this. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Switch over to the other hand. Try and do it without stopping. Make a smooth transition. And let's do 10 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. By the way, if you don't know how to do any of these moves, make sure you check out the link in my description for the full bow staff for beginners course where I break down each move. Okay, up next what we're gonna be doing is working on our hand rolls. So grab on one side of the grip, make sure that your thumb side is the long side. You're gonna rotate around the top and grab the other side. Once you get to the other side, same thing, the long side's on the pinky side, so pull it all the way back. Okay, let's practice these. Chamber the other hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, non-dominant hand now, ready? You can do it on this side, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like I said, non-dominant hand. It's not always gonna be perfect. Got a couple more, ready? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If at any point you drop it just like I did, pick it right back up. We're gonna keep going. Okay, next thing that we're gonna be doing is just gonna be some basic strikes. So both of your hands are gonna hold over, just like when we were doing the blocks, except this time, we're gonna bring one under our armpit, other one's gonna hit nose level like this, okay? And we're just gonna do the same thing on the other side. Keep both hands over, goes under your armpit. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, let's add a combination now. Ready? Our combination's gonna be grabbing overhand. We're gonna go high block. 2 strikes. 1, 2. Grab in the center, figure 8. And then after a couple figure 8s, I want you to try and lead that right into your hand roll. Okay, let's try it again. Ready? I'm gonna face this way. So step 1, high block. Step 2, 2 under armpit strikes. Step 3, grab in the center, figure 8. And step 4, when you're ready, go ahead and try that hand roll. Nice, let's do that combination 3 more times. Ready, facing forward. Hands apart, high block, 2 strikes. And take it to a figure 8. Hand roll. Ooh, I almost dropped that one. Hope you got it. Ready? 2 more. A little faster now. Ready? High block, strikes, figure 8. And hand roll. Nice. Last time, let's try and make it the smoothest. Ready? And high block, 2 strikes, figure 8. And hand roll. Nice job, guys. All right, let's move on to the next part. Let's go into some actual strikes. So for this one, I want you to just have your bow staff right at your side. Okay, your pinky's gonna be closest to your body, thumb pointing out. You're gonna place it right between your thumb and the palm of your hand and reach over for a Junbi stance. I'm gonna pause this music really quick because it's about to interrupt us. So go ahead and grab right here, grab over in a Junbi stance. All you're gonna do is step out to a front stance and your your left hand's gonna come to a forward strike. So your hand's gonna come out, reach forward. Other hand is gonna be either down in a chamber position or up under your armpit. Okay, so one more time. We are gonna just be in a chariot stance, reaching over, step forward, and strike. If I unwind my hands, my back hand's gonna be over, my striking hand is gonna be under. So one more time, ready from Junbi stance, step out to a front stance, and strike. Okay, from here, we're just gonna do side to side strikes. So from here, I'm gonna have the back of my bow staff come around and strike. The other hand is just gonna be right at my shoulder. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, I'm gonna turn to the side. We're gonna do double now. Ready? So one is gonna be 2 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Same thing, but up and down. So you're gonna keep it over on the same shoulder. You're gonna come all the way up and then strike back down. 10 times, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, last time we're gonna combine both of those. So from right here in your Junbi stance, you're gonna step out to a forward strike. When I count 1, we're gonna go side, side, up, down. Ready? 10 times. 1. I'm gonna go a little slower now. 2, side, side, up, down. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome. Okay, let's take it into the next move. We're gonna go back to a combination. So this time what we're gonna do, we're gonna start off with a figure 8 this time. So starting in a fighting stance, I want you to step forward. We're gonna go figure 8. 1, 2. From here, I want you to go ahead and grab your bow staff. We're gonna do a spin until we land in our strike, okay? So try it again. Fighting stance, step forward, figure 8. Grab your bow staff, spin around, and strike. Okay, now side, side, up, down. Try it again, let's get some more space. Ready? Fighting stance, step forward, figure 8. Grab your bow staff so you're ready to strike. Spin all the way around, strike, side, side, up, down. Okay, let's do it facing the side so you can see it. Fighting stance, ready, figure 8. Grab your bow staff so you have space, spin around, and strike. Side, side, up, down. Perfect. Couple more times. Fighting stance, step forward, figure 8, grab, spin around, strike, side, side, up, down. From here, I want you to add one trick. It can be anything you want. If you want to stick to the hand rolls that we've been practicing, maybe step it back, hand roll. If you know how to do it behind your back, so from here, what you can do is bring it all the way around the back and back to the front, okay? So add one trick. We're gonna do it 3 times and add a trick at the end. Ready, fighting stance? And step forward, figure 8, grab, spin around, strike, side, side, up, down. I'm gonna do a hand roll as my trick, and hand roll. Okay, 2 more times, let's get it smoother. Ready, fighting stance. A little quicker now, ready, and go. Figure 8, spin around, and strike, side, side, up, down, and trick. Perfect, last time, ready, fighting stance, and step forward, figure 8, spin around, strike, side, side, up, down, and 1 trick. And that's it. Guys, it can be seriously that easy to get 10 minutes of practice time in. One of the things that I'm doing now that I'm pregnant is making sure I just practice whenever I can, and not super long to where my body ends up feeling worse, but just to the point where I feel good about how I'm walking out of the mats. And that is pretty much what you want to accomplish with any workout, is you want to make sure that if you have only 10 minutes to give that day, then focus on those 10 minutes. Of course, make sure you get a good warm up in. If you're focusing on flexibility, you don't want to pull a muscle or anything. So make sure that you focus on the things that you can do, rather than being like, oh my gosh, I don't have time to train 2 hours today. I can't train at all. It doesn't matter. Focus on what you can do instead of what you cannot do. Like I said earlier, if you need any of the tutorials for how to do bow staff, my Bow Staff for Beginners is an awesome course that'll teach you all the way from the basics and all the way to an entire combination that you can use as a form. I will leave that in the link below, or you can find any of my courses online on blackbeltsamery.com. If you guys have a request for a 10-minute video you guys want to see, then leave that in the comments below. If not, I will see you guys all next Wednesday for our next weekly video. Have an awesome week of training, and I'll see you next time.